Hi viewers, welcome back. Today I am come up with another very informative video, and in this video I am going to show you how we can fix the tire on the rim by using this automatic tire changer machine. We already have fixed the rim on this machine. Now we are going to fix the tire. During fixing the tire on this rim, the most important part is this lock. Okay, we use this lock when we fixing the tire back on this rim. So you must see this how we use this lock for fixing the tire. So we are clean the rim very carefully. I am fixing the lock. As I told you, this is very important. Fix the tire. We use this part for fix the tire. Now we lubricate with oil. We are lubricating the tire. This is very important. We must have to lubricate the tire, and it easily will fix. Remove the lock. Excellent. So here you see how we fix that tire by using this tire changer machines. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel, share this video to your friends. Okay, I will fix the tire. Finish.